Yesterday, Lufthansa announced to buy new 5 Airbus A350 and Boeing 787 Dreamliner aircraft. Ahead with modernization of fleet to saving the lower operating cost. The ordered aircraft used for the long-haul operation and contribute strongly to enhance suitability by reducing fuel consumption and carbon emission by 30%. The first Boeing 787-9 are scheduled to fly for Lufthansa as early as next winter, with others to follow in the first half of 2022. Today's decision brings the total number of firm orders for Boeing 787-9 and Boeing 777-9 to 45 aircraft. Due to the dramatic impact of the coronavirus pandemic on global aviation, aircraft that had been ordered by some airlines could not be delivered in the past 12 months. Lufthansa held talks with Boeing and found a way to buy 5 787-9 that were already manufactured. Lufthansa Group reached an agreement with Boeing on a restructured delivery plan. The 5 newly ordered Airbus A350-900 will be delivered in 2027. This brings the total number of firm orders for the A350-900 to 45 aircraft. The Lufthansa Group also agreed with Airbus on a restructuring of planned deliveries. Lufthansa is also renewing its long-haul fleet to focusing on the latest technology with highest-level customer comfort on short-haul routes. It will take delivery of a new A320 family aircraft, and delivery of a further 107 Airbus aircraft is planned until 2027. Since the A350 and B787 latest aircraft are upgraded with new technology and efficient engines which can provide fullest comforts for its passengers. With the Airbus A350, the Boeing 777X, and the Boeing 787, on average, the new aircraft will only consume approximately 2.5 liters of kerosene per passenger and 100 kilometers flown.
If you liked our video, please subscribe to our channel.